Hi everybody, my name is Valerie and I'm a student in the Police Technology program at Anstic College. I've been studying there for a year and a half now. In this program, I am learning all the skills to become a good police officer. After 3 years in that program, I will have to go to Nicolette to finish my training and officially become a cop. When I will be a police officer, I really hope that I will be hired at the SPVM, the Montreal Police Department. It is my goal. One thing I learned in one of my classes is that if you want to be a good cop, you have to know your neighborhood by heart. Sometimes, for a big city like Montreal, it is hard to find information about a neighborhood in particular. A good way to learn more about yours is to go on the SPVM website. All you have to do is to type in the address bar the URL spvm.qc.ca and it will lead you to the official SPVM website. For my example, I will put it in English. So now imagine that I'm working for the Anstic district and I want to know what the criminality looks like at Anstic. All I have to do is to click on the neighborhood police button in the navigation menu and then choose Anstic in the search by neighborhood. After that, I have to click on the sector button on the left end of the screen and click on the crime profile link. This link will lead me to all the crime profiles of Montreal districts. Because I'm working for the Anstic one, all I have to do is find it. So it is just right there. Click on the link and it will lead me to another page that will give me all the information that I'm looking for. So, for example, if I want to know how many crimes against a person happened in Anstic in 2017, all I have to do is to check in the good section, which is this one, and it will give me a number. So, for example, in 2017, the number of crime against a person was 587. It will also tell me what is the rank for that type of crime compared to all the other districts. So, for example, Anstic is at rank 16 on 31 for the crimes against the person. In conclusion, this website is a very useful tool for every police officer that works in Montreal. I hope this video will be useful for you too. Have a nice day!